What up, what up? Back at it again. For today, we're gonna swap out some these wheel protectors from evbase, right? So I had a little road rash there, right? Had a little situation, dodge out the way. And good thing if you have these are for the 21-inch performance wheels. They also got them in the 20s. They also have them for different colors. I wanted the all black at first, but I accidentally got them shipped as carbon fiber, and I kind of like it. You know, kind of matches some of the other stuff that I've added to the car, right? And then it comes with the spoiler already, right? So yeah, had a little issue. Luckily, they had a sale recently, so I ended up getting a whole new set of four. So I've just been replacing them one by one as needed. Yeah, like I said, this one completely off, but still protects the wheels. So you can just wipe off the wheels, and we'll get into the installation and how to put them on. All right, so when it comes to removing, it's pretty simple. Usually I start with the valve stem, this inside part. See how easy it comes out. Then you just work your way around. All right, inside just pops off. Then you have this piece here. They give you more than enough. They give you more than enough of this material that you can apply to the replacement pieces, which we'll go over in a little bit, but this is what you got right here. All right, so we'll take your this. All right, this one probably a little bit more easy. Gotta work halfway around. Don't know where the other one went, but And just give it a nice wipe down, and then we're gonna put the new ones on. All right, so before we put it on, just to show the coverage, this is what we got here. All right, just a little bit on the wheel. We go all the way around. That's really the only spot that's super crazy. All right. A little spot here. That's it, just to protect it, all right? All right, so now I'll show you what they look like. They come in a box like this. Each individually bubble wrapped, which I like how they come in. Excuse me. I like how they come in individually bubble wrapped, so they're protected. They're pretty safe. So yeah, we take out this bad guy here. That's what it's gonna look like. That's the finish. And then they also provide the materials needed, or the adhesive, sorry. Because I've had some in before. I have an extra bag of it up in here, but it comes in a roll like here. So you get a roll of this material here that's kind of help protect it against the actual wheel. Don't really have a lot of rubbing or scratches. Like using it a lot. So I just keep the extra. So basically the next part is we just kind of wrap this around it. And start at one way, work your way around, get it on there, and then pop the wheel on. So I'm gonna do that for this one, and I do have the second one. I'll take this one out and do that after. And after that's done, you'll see the end result of how much it covers, how it looks, and see you at the end. right, here we go. This is the end result here. Got all on the edge. A little bit of overlap's not too bad. Let's see what we're looking at here. And then we will do the other wheel and then pop them on. All right, now got them here. So you want to take this two-part here, align it to the valve stem, and then just pop it on. You gotta put a little muscle into it, but it clicks in. You hear the clicks, and you know it's in place. Now that it's done, you can see there's no overlap. It's looking pretty good. Sorry for the direct sunlight, but I'm trying to, test this out with the iPhone over using my camera. Last video was the GoPro. Just trying different stuff out, learning how they work. Ooh. Yep, and that's what it looks like. Okay, let's see. If I can get closer there. Don't really have much overlap. Don't see any of the scratches. And that's the thing with these wheels, is that they stick over past the tires. Check the other side. So this one is one of the original ones I've had from a while back. Good shape still. I said not really. Yep, they stay pretty well, and I've hit some good speeds in this thing so far, and they've maintained extremely well. So I recommend it if you want something to protect the 21-inch wheels, or if you want a different style to the 20s. It's a good look. It's a good purchase. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. Check me out next time.